nakita daw niya doon si Jesus Christ at saka si Mother Mary doon sa Triste. So akala niya na maling mata lang siya. Then, tumingin siya sa iba para lang i-sure na baka na may illusion lang siya yung nakikita. Pagtingin niya, nandun pa rin sila. Tapos sabi niya, ang dami kong simbahan na napuntahan. Bakit dito po sila nakita? So I was, well, Mamila was asking me about my thoughts on the incident. Sabi ko, kasi the chapel was not blessed by any ordinary priest. It was blessed by no less than the bishop, who has the fullness of the priesthood and successor of the apostles. And reflecting on that, yung frate ng Arsimetro, the Lord is residing in that place. Nakikita natin na the project that we built through the initiative of some of our members was not in vain. Kasi nga, nandun the presence of the divine is there. Especially so that the chapel is being used actively, regularly by the people of Pascal.
Yes, naghanap kami ni Father Noel ng magtutulong na maipatayo yun kasi makita mo ngayon
House of God naman
ng mga
yun.
tao na meron silang pagsasambahan.
Or else, hindi pa sila sa
So
kabila.
makita mo nung hindi yung mga matatag sa barangay. Alam mo yung happiness nila na makita kayo na tumutulong sa kanila. Tapos ang maganda doon, yung mga kabataan